Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. Imagine this. You're working on a big piece of code with more than one person, more than just yourself. So you need a way to tell the other person what the things do, but you don't want to constantly be there telling them. There's this amazing thing called comments. There are many ways to do comments. I'm going to show you them. And there are many ways to do comments. There is a standard hashtag. However, this lacks two main things. It lacks multi-line compatibility, so you do a new hashtag, new comment every line, and you can't have a second statement finished after. Which means it effectively just nullifies that line. As you can see, nothing. Second type of comment is a unassigned string, works for both standard double and standard single speech marks. As you can see, I'm going to make these do stuff. And we still get an output. The benefit of these over these standard comments is that they can have a statement put after it. As you can see, however, these still lack multi-line compatibility. Finally, you have literal unassigned strings, which are made up of triple speech marks of either kind, the comment, and 3 more speech marks. The benefit of these is that they are multi-line. As you can see, multiple lines, that is still orange. And it will still run when I make it. It also works with the standard singles. You will see they will still run. Still run. They also support having statements put after them, but not inside the multi-line comment. As you can see, it is orange. So you have standard comments, no multi-line compatibility, or secondary statements. Unassigned strings, still no multi-line compatibility, but they do have secondary statements. And the literal strings, still secondary statements and multi-line compatibility. Thank you all very much for watching. I do hope you learned something from the video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, but please comment especially, and tell me how you learned, what you liked, because it helps me make better videos which are more educational. Thank you.